Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Alina, and today I've got something super exciting for you. We're going to delve into the simplest way to create isolated Python environments very easily and quickly. This is a game changer, especially if you like working on multiple projects and keep your dependencies simple and organized. I will guide you step by step through the whole process, so whether you are a seasoned developer or just getting started, you will be able to set up your virtual environment as a pro in no time. Ready to jump in? Let's cut it out.
Alright, let's get started. First, we need a folder where we will be working on our project. Let's create an empty folder and call it project01. Now, let's open a Visual Studio Code. Simply drag and drop the folder right in the editor. Feel free to do the same so we are on the same page. Next, let's create a new file. Click on the new file icon and let's give it a similar name, project.ipynb. The ipynb extension is for Jupyter Notebook. Now let's open the terminal. You can do it by pressing Ctrl and J. With the terminal open, let's type our first command, python-m-venv.venv. Hit enter and this will create a virtual environment right inside our project folder. There it is. This folder contains all the settings for our environment, but don't worry, you won't need to mess with it. Just let it do its thing. Next, we need to activate the environment we just created. In the terminal, let's type this command, .venv scripts activate. Before you press enter, here's a quick rundown. This command is simply telling our system to go into the .venv folder, then into scripts, and then finally to run the activate script. Easy, right? Go ahead and press enter now. You should see the name of your environment appear in green in the terminal. That means it's successfully activated. We are going great so far. Now, because we are going to work on Jupyter Notebooks, we need to install ipykernel. Let's type this next command together, pip install ipykernel. While that's installing, we are going to create a requirements file. This is where we will list all the libraries we need to start our project. Let's add some essentials like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn. Once you've added those, make sure to save the file. Alright, by now ipykernel should be installed. Now to install all the libraries we listed in the requirements file, type pip install -r requirements.txt. This will take a couple of minutes, so let it run. Once it's done, we're all set up and ready to go. Let's test everything out now. We can select the kernel by clicking on Select Kernel and choosing .venv, the environment we just created, but honestly, I often forget to do this first. So if you're like me, you might start running a command and then VS Code will prompt you to choosing an environment. Just select .venv when that happens. Now let's write a quick bit of code to make sure everything is working. Let's create a small pandas data frame with some sample data. Go ahead and run the code. And there we have it. The output displays correctly, which means everything is set up perfectly. Awesome work! Let's quickly recap the steps we took to ensure everything is crystal clear. So first we created an environment using the python-m-venv.venv command, then activated the environment with .venv scripts activate, then installed ipykernel to work with Jupyter Notebooks, and installed all the necessary dependencies listed in our requirements file. And that's it so far. To make things easier for you, I've created a file with all the commands for both Windows and Mac. You can download it using the link below.
And there you have it. You have just set up your virtual environment. How easy was that? Keeping your dependencies in check and your projects organized has never been simpler. Thanks for watching and happy coding!